Dogecoin's popularity soars ahead of Nifty mutual funds in India. A joke well said is when everyone laughs or at least goes back home and Googles it. Mind-numbing rallies in the cryptocurrency world are not absurd, but the rise of the Doge has confused even the biggest of cryptocurrency lovers. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency born out of a light-hearted joke in 2013 with no revolutionary endeavors such as those of Bitcoin creator, has soared 5,500% in 2021 so far. Despite having nearly halved its value over the past week, simply out, Dogecoin is an internet meme currency with the symbol of the Japanese Shiba Inu dog for the meme generation, backed by individuals like Elon Musk and the founder of Tesla, SpaceX and Starlink. And Indians are intrigued. The popularity of the meme cryptocurrency has been soaring among Indians since the beginning of April. From virtually zero interest prior to that, much of the interest has been driven by reports that pegged the digital currency's return at over 10,000% year to date, something unheard of in the world of traditional investing. More Indians were searching for the term Dogecoin on Google on Friday than Bitcoin and mutual funds combined. Data on Google search trends shows the rise in popularity of the cryptocurrency has been such that it is threatening to overtake popular search terms in India's investing landscape like Nifty and Sensex. Industry watchers in India said almost all of the interest in Dogecoin is being driven by young investors who are ardent admirers of Elon Musk, given his image as a futurist and his involvement in the development of some of the most revolutionary companies of the 21st century. The surge in interest is despite Dogecoin giving up almost half of its value earlier this week following the Tesla founder's comments on a popular US comedy show that the cryptocurrency was nothing more than a hustle, confirming the suspicion of most. Prior to Musk's appearance on Saturday Night's Live last week, the interest in Dogecoin virtually broke the roof for the cryptocurrency market, as several cryptocurrency exchanges in India such as Wagerex were unable to handle the deluge of orders. Wagerex, India's largest cryptocurrency exchange, reported one of the highest single-day trading volume of $350 million on May 7th, a day prior to Musk's appearance on the show. Some industry watchers suggested that much of the volumes were being driven by Dogecoin investors. Musk has tried to make amends ever since his SNL gaffe by announcing the launch of a moon mission called Doge1, which will be funded entirely by Dogecoin. Further, his Twitter poll earlier this week on whether Tesla should accept payment in Dogecoin or Bitcoin coincided with the shock announcement on Thursday that the electric vehicle company will suspend acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment due to environment-related concerns. If Elon Musk is able to improve some of its technical flaws, as he said, that could help it gain long-term value, said Vikram Rangla, Chief Operating Officer at Zapay. Dogecoin's lack of fundamental value compared with other major crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum is not lost, even on cryptocurrency experts who argue that it has none of the traits such as fixed supply that have made Bitcoin popular. However, when the world's second richest man is himself on the driver's seat, one can only expect people to hop onto the bandwagon.